Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to upgrade pets in Voidpet Dungeon in a simple, fast, and effective way. Now, upgrading your pets comes down to four main things: combat, evolution, training items, and gear. So let's break it down. First, combat is your best source of XP. Fighting trainers gives you about 5 times more XP or experience than battling wild pets, so prioritize trainer battles whenever you can if you want to level up quickly. Second, your pets will evolve at levels 4, 12, 24, and 48, and each evolution requires evolution pebbles from that pet's species, which you can get by catching or defeating similar pets. You'll need more evolution pebbles each time, with around 360 total for the final evolution. Third, use your training stones or pink bottles. You earn these from the dungeon training menu and they let you instantly boost your pet's level without grinding battles. Just like what I'm doing right now. It's great for speeding things up. Fourth, you want to build a smart team. You want to make sure you mix high level pets with lower level ones so your weaker pets can gain XP safely. Focus on leveling tanks and healers first so your team survives tougher fights. Also, don't forget to equip good gear on your pets and make those necessary upgrades. Rare equipment can significantly improve their stats and performance in battle. And finally, please do participate in special events to get rare or higher form pets that are stronger than normal ones. And that's about it. That's how you upgrade pets in Voidpet Dungeon. Again, fight trainers, collect wishes, use training items, gear up, and evolve at the right levels. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!